Welcome back, guys. So I've got a few products from DeepCool to show you today, and I thought let's do a bit more for hands-on approach. So using these 4 products, plus a few other things from around the studio, let's put together a gaming setup. What have we got here? So we've got a mid-tower PC case, we've got a power supply, 240mm all-in-one liquid cooler, and a new RGB mechanical gaming keyboard. Let's see what we can put together. So the first thing I really like about the CK560 mid-tower PC case is just the build quality. So it's made from a mixture of steel and plastics here at the front. Just feels really sturdy, it's got a nice touch to it. It's also got a side glass panel here as well. So once our system's complete, we're going to be able to see all the hardware inside through this glass. It'll be a really nice touch there at the end. So it also comes pre-installed with 4 120mm fans, of which 3 at the front are A-RGB. I also really like the cross pattern design on the front panel. This is also magnetic as well, so it pops off quite easily, and we can have easy maintenance to the dust filter underneath. So up next here we have the Castle 240EX. So this is a 240mm all-in-one liquid cooler. They've kept that classic infinity mirror design with a new look. So I'm very keen to show you guys how this one looks once the system's complete. Being 240mm, I believe this works perfectly with this case. So this size radiator actually fits perfectly at the top here. With a 240mm radiator here at the top, the reason it works so well is because we end up with the 5 A-RGB fans throughout the system. We can customize that to our own colors to match the setup that we're going for. They've also got a new improved 3-phase motor inside the pump that's going to increase the cooling efficiency while keeping the noise levels nice and quiet. So to power our system, we have the PQ750m, which is a 750-watt power supply. It's fully modular. It's on 80+ gold certification as well. So it uses Japanese capacitors that are really good, and paired with that 80+ gold certification I mentioned, I would have no issue using this power supply for some of the beefier graphics cards out there, which is a good thing because of what I have on hand, an RTX 3080. So with such a large graphics card like this, it's actually a good thing that this case comes in clutch. It's got a GPU hanger here. This will sit underneath the graphics card and just hold it upright to eliminate anything like GPU sag over time. Again, it's a great thing for a graphics card as big as this. Last thing on this power supply, so on the back there's actually a fanless hybrid mode button. So what this will do is actually turn the fans off when it's under 30% load, giving it more of a silent feel, working perfectly with that 3-phase motor that we mentioned earlier. With our system all done, all that the setup needs is a few peripherals and a monitor. So this is where you can add in your own keyboard and mouse. For us, we've got the 722 RGB mechanical gaming keyboard. Now this is one of DeepCool's very first keyboard designs, and through my personal use, I feel like they've actually done a really good job. So what I really like is that the RGB is really bright and it's shown off through these front-facing keycaps. I think it's a really nice look. It's also 65% in size, so it's very minimalistic. You know, for those gamers like to move the keyboard around mid-battle, I think it's a perfect fit. For them as well, it uses Gator-on-Red switches, which are a linear switch. It's got a really quiet and smooth stroke there, so again, you can just focus on your game. Now for the RGB I mentioned, although it's just the one stationary color now, it's a heap of colors and effects for us to choose from. It's all customizable through the DeepCool software. That's about all the time we have today. If you want to find out more about any of the products that we've had a look at, I'll leave a few links down below. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you all next time.